Hi, so let's quickly change the bulb on the rear brake light of this Citroen produced from around 2011 and 2017, the Citroen C4. To do this, one will need to take out this light. So the light is fixed from the inside with a bolt, and you will need number 10 key to remove the nut. And to do it, you open the trunk and remove this cover, and here inside you will find this nut. So it is right up there, and it looks like this. So then you just slowly remove the light, and if it doesn't go, you can also press in this bolt behind with some plastic to push it out. And I use this piece of plastic to push the light out with pressing in that bolt inside. Now when the light pops out, it looks like this. And next thing is to disconnect the connector, and to do it is to press on the clip here in the middle, because connectors usually have clips which one has to press before you have to remove it. So like this. And now here it is. Here's the light, and first we have to remove those two screws with T20. The next thing is to remove this plastic. We do it first with removing those 4 clips. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and then you can push it out like this. And now this is the brake bulb. The correct bulb also needs to have 2 filaments, like in the picture. Here are bulb specifications. And one has to pull it out with pressing in and to the left, and you can get it out. And the same also for putting a new one back, pressing in and moving to the right. That's it. Then to finish the job, one just has to put all the steps in the reverse order. And those are the tools needed: 10mm wrench and the Torx 20 T20.